Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Baghel and today I am going to explain you the numeric on cluster indexing. First, cluster indexing is performed on non-key attributes, and in cluster indexing we map each unique value of data file into the index file. So let's start our question. So in the given question we are having number of records is equals to 30,000, record size is 100 bytes, and block size is 1024, and every value is repeated 6 times. Block pointer is 6 bytes and cluster filled value is 9 bytes. So first we will calculate the block factor. So for formula for block factor is block size upon record size for data files, and for index file the formula is block size upon block pointer upon key field value. So first we will calculate the block factor for data files. So here block size was 1024 and record size is 100, so we will divide it. So the answer is 10.24, but here we take the lower bound, so we will take it as 10. Similarly for index file the 1024 plus 6 plus divide by 6 plus 9. So we are doing 6 plus 9 because I told you before that for index file the formula is block size upon block pointer plus key field value. So dividing it we get 68.2, so we will take it as 68. Second, we will calculate the number of blocks needed to store. For data files, number of records plus block factor of data files. So our number of records are 30,000 and we calculated block factor is equal to 10. So our number of blocks are 3,000. For index file the formula is same, number of blocks, number of records upon to calculate the number of blocks, number of records divided by block factor of index file. So in cluster indexing and the records are repeated, so we will calculate the unique records. So in question it is given that each value is repeated 6 times, so we will divide 30,000 by 6, so we will get the number of exact number of records, that is 5,000. So now we will calculate the number of blocks, which is 5,000 divided by 68, and that is 73.5. so in here we take upper bound. So we all know that our index file is sorted irrespective of our main file, it may be sorted or unsorted. Our index file is always sorted. So for formula so here we can apply the binary search as our index file is sorted. So log base 2 number of blocks plus key, where k is number of blocks in which records have respective values of search key present. मीन्स जैसे यहाँ पे अपने पास अपन ने ब्लॉक फैक्टर कैलकुलेट किया था 10 और अपने पास वैल्यूज़ कितनी बार रिपीट हुई है 6 बार. तो we can do that. In best case we can find that all the 6 repeated values are present in a one block, or it can or second, in the worst case it could happen that half in first block and half are in the next block. So the maximum blocks will be needed are 2, not more than that. So we will calculate the binary search by log base 2 74 plus 2. So log base 74 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So to find, and I have to access at least I have to access 9 blocks. Thank you.